Returning to Chile eventually. Oh, look at this. This is something I still have to try, the Patagonian lamb. Look how delicious that looks. Buenos dias y bienvenidos to today's video. It is a Monday, 25th of November, and today I leave the beautiful town of Chalten. Finally leave my hostel here at Rancho Grande and heading off to my next destination, Calafate. Now, just as I expected, the weather has turned. It is a rainy day here in Chalten, so a good travel day, a good day to head out and go on a bus. So this morning, I got my bags packed, ready to go, just walking over to the bus station about 1 kilometer away, and we are gonna catch a 3-hour bus ride to our next destination. So it's just midday now, just walking over to the bus station. A bus leaves at 1 p.m. So plenty of time. Got to buy my magnets, got to buy some snacks. But yeah, I actually enjoyed it here in Chalten. There's a bit for everyone. You don't need to be an intrepid hiker to enjoy this place. I don't consider myself as one, even though I do it from time to time. On my first day, I went to the waterfall, which was a cruisy 8 to 10 kilometer day. And then I went to Mount Fitzroy, which was a 27 kilometer day. And then yesterday, which was like 24 kilometers. So I'm a little bit trekked out for now. Really glad to give my legs a bit of a rest, and today's just a bus day and settling into a new place. Now, the other thing that's really good about this town is you could do everything from here. All the treks from here you could do by yourself, and they're for free. Alright, 4 o'clock now. We have just made it into Calafate. Just walking away from the bus stop. It's 4 o'clock now. The bus did do a stopover before here at Calafate airport. So that's one of the options. If you don't like catching buses, you can catch a plane in and out of this place. It's only 20 minutes out of town. But yeah, this bus costs 800 pesos, which is only 20 bucks for a 3-hour bus ride. And I took it with Chalten Travel, the same company I took on that 24-hour bus to get to Chalten. Oh man, it's cold today. You could really feel it in the wind. Just has a bit of that frost to it all day. Just walking to my hostel now. I'm nice and prepared over the last couple of weeks. Booking ahead because it is starting to be peak season at the moment, so it is better to book ahead, especially if you want to stay consecutive nights. So my hostel is called Guanaco Hostel. I'm staying here for 3 nights and paying 22 bucks a night, so not too bad, on the cheaper end than what I've been paying more recently. And it's only about 800 meters that way, so a nice cruisy stroll for the afternoon, and then afterwards we could go check out town and then plan what we're gonna do.
George Silvino. Sí, it's only you. You book 1 bed for 3 nights, right?
Sí.
Hi Federico, George, nice to meet you. This is your room, and your bed is bed C, up on the left.
Okay, perfecto.
Muy bien, bienvenido, George.
To the left again, arrive at the main street.
Yep.
When cross the bridge is the center.
Yep.
2 blocks after the bridge, this corner is the supermarket.
Okay.
Yeah, it's opening from 9 until 10 p.m.
Yep.
Banks and ATMs have these 4 at the main street.
Oh, okay, yep. And la casa de cambio también?
And now, yes,
Okay.
front to the supermarket here.
Yeah. I guess the glacier tour. That's really, and then a few treks around the place, but that's the main one.
You already booking something?
No,
not?
nada.
Okay, if you want to explain you the different options, you have 2 complete days, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And
Yep.
where are you going after Calafate?
Puerto Natales?
Puerto Natales. Trek on the ice have 2 options. The mini trekking, the total time of the tour is 10 hours, include the pickup at the hostel. In the park, the tour divided in 3 times. First, visit the balconies for 1 hour. The balcony is the famous view of the glacier.
Yep.
In this area, you walking for yourself without the guys. The driver gives you a meeting point and go with the driver and the guide, go to the port and take a boat. I show you in a map. Go to the port and cross to the other side of the Moreno, the north face, the south face.
Yeah.
In this area, I started the trek for a half hour to the glacier. When I arrived in the glacier, the guides explain you about the trekking, give you the crampons, and started the trek for a 1 hour and a half on the glacier. This one, the short one, costs 9,000 pesos, not include the lunch and the entrance fee. The entrance never is included in any tour and costs 800 pesos. The other one, the big ice, the difference to the mini trekking is 2 hours more. It's 12 hours in total, start at 7 a.m., return 7 p.m. And the difference to the mini trekking is the time on the ice and the level of the hiking. 3 hours and a half on the glacier and half hour in the forest. Yeah?
So we're now exploring the main strip of town and haven't eaten anything since breakfast this morning. I am starving, but there's a lot to do before I could eat. The main thing to do here is hike Perito Moreno Glacier behind me here. So there's 3 main ways to do it. You could just stay at the lookout, stay inland and view this from another island. The other 2 options are the trekking options. There's a mini trekking where you trek inside the glacier for 1.5 hours. That's 9,000 pesos, which is 225 Australian dollars. Or you could do the big ice, and that's double the time. 3 hours inside this, and that is 16,000 pesos, which is 400 bucks. But anyway, that's what I'm planning to do either tomorrow or the next day. So here's a Casa de Cambio. What have we got? The exchange rate for the American dollar is 60, the euro is 67, Brazilian real is 14, and the Chileno peso is 0.065. Not too bad, but I don't want to exchange my pesos. I need to keep my pesos because I'll be returning to Chile eventually. Oh, look at this. Just got called over. What? ¿Qué carne?
Carlos is the
Carlos,
very
¿cómo estás? So what? ¿Qué carne? Is a
Cordero, lamb.
Cordero. Oh, yeah, the Patagonian lamb.
Patagonian lamb. Yeah.
Ah, sí. ¿Cuál es el nombre de este restaurante?
Casimiro Biguá Restaurant.
Ah, buena. Making me very hungry.
Cortale un pedacito de cordero al amigo que le vamos a
Check this out. This is what happens when you just walk around the street with a camera. This is something I still have to try, the Patagonian lamb. Master Chef. Look how delicious that looks. Oh man.
This is for you. This.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh nice. Para mi video. Ah, very kind. Muchas gracias. Alright, here we go. A sample of the Patagonian lamb. Freshly cooked. Muy rica.
Bueno, the best here in Calafate.
I have definitely made up my mind now. This is what I'm having after I do my glacier trek. Después mi glacier trek, then this is what I'll eat. Just when I was getting super hungry. The best random thing to happen. Well, that was pretty random. The guy that let me in was actually the boss of the restaurant. For a second there, I thought I was up for a bit of coin, but no, just really nice guy. I really just wanted me to taste the lamb, and it was delicious. That was a Cordero de la Cruz because it's cooked on the cross, like what you guys saw. The ribs are only 750 pesos, which is $19, and a 300-gram steak was 980 pesos, 25 bucks. For a fancy, nice restaurant like that, and for that type of meat, only 25 bucks. So just with a really kind gesture like that, he has got another customer. I am sold, and I am definitely gonna go back there on another night after I do my glacier trek. That will be a really, really good way to end the day after I climb Perito Moreno Glacier. All right, finally having my dinner, my burger and chips. And when they said a burger, they literally meant just the burger. Have to pay extra with just lettuce and tomato. but I don't mind anyway because this is special burger. This is a Guanaco burger. Finally, a real life Guanaco, rather than the one spraying chemical water on me for a week or two in Santiago. Not bad, pretty tasty. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for the day. I was able to book my glacier tour, not tomorrow but the day after. Went straight to the source, Yellow y Aventura. They're the ones that do the tours, and everything else here is just an agency that books through them. And now I'm just at this lookout here overlooking El Calafate, and check this out. You would never guess what time it is right now. ¿Qué hora es? It is 9:30 p.m. 9:30 at night, and check out the sky and how bright it is. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely crazy. The sun is literally just still setting in the distance behind the mountains there. 3 hours further south and it's just gonna keep getting brighter and brighter at night. You wouldn't believe how beautiful it is on this side of the world. If you love nature, then Patagonia is the place to be. Loving every step of the way, every single town I've been to. Can't get any better than this, guys. But in any case, a new town means a new adventure. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.